We know all the future technologies and bring them into the customer's house with new solutions, new way of dealing with things.
Gofore is a European digital transformation consultancy, a software integration partner. And the idea of Gofore is that we are not putting the software in the center of our doing, but the human.
Most of our customers are industry customers in terms of off-highway machinery or agricultural, so everything big machines which needs to drive. And our service here is that we provide embedded software development or HMI, design, sometimes even mixed as one solution provider for our customers. And we provide new ways in dealing with that software. It means from C-style coding to new approaches like model-based design and model-based systems engineering. We do have a broad bandwidth of different customers and different fields. One of the biggest fields is construction site machinery, everything which is big and heavy moving stuff. Agricultural customers, for example, Akko is a big customer. We do have underground stuff, but we also have in facilities, industrial automation and IT/OT topics.
We have a full set of different services what comes to transformation. Many our customers that we crystallize strategies, their new business or service, what they are planned to launch, how to build those, or then even bigger scale architectural changes, how to make it kind of their future when they do the investment, the digital proof that they are lasting selection of technologies there. Then we of course help a lot with actual R&D phase, implement advanced software, new advanced systems and selecting the best technologies there. But then on the other hand, we also provide the platforms and tools how to change to work, example, the R&D phase, that how to do things the digital world more, fail fast, be kind of ready more complex autonomous systems development in the virtual environment by utilizing kind of a virtual prototype approach. So that you avoid the cost, you make it more fast, fail rapidly or success rapidly. There are a lot of cycles in the virtual environment without using money, the physical assets. This is the technologies, tools, but then on the other hand, the processes and how you need to change way of working.
The off-highway machinery or construction site machinery, we also provide HMI design, which means that the end user in the system or in the cabin does have less monitors and easy to use systems to make the critical work more easy and safe.
Gofore can bring you the value that you miss, can bring you the expertise that you don't have, and can bring your solutions quicker to the market by providing you the partnership on an eye level you deserve.
A successful collaboration with our customer looks like that we have a long-lasting collaboration with them. We have customers where we work over 10 years together with them, improving the systems over time. As we know the systems pretty well, we know all the future technologies and bring them into the customer's house with new solutions, new way of dealing with things to make the customer future-proof and strengthen their market position.